Welcome to this complete beginner guide on how to build a faceless YouTube channel using AI. If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but didn't want to show your face, buy expensive equipment, or spend months learning video editing, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how AI can help you create content faster, grow an audience, and build an online business from anywhere in the world. Imagine building a YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera. No camera setup, no expensive microphones, no professional studio, and no need to become an influencer. Modern AI tools can now handle script
Today,
writing,
I'll show you how
voiceovers,
AI can help you create
and
content
editing.
faster, grow an audience, and build an online business from anywhere in the world.
Potentially build a profitable online business from a laptop and internet connection. Why faceless channels are exploding. Faceless YouTube channels are growing faster than ever. Many successful creators earn thousands of dollars every month while remaining completely anonymous. The biggest reason is that viewers care about value, not visibility. When your content solves problems, teaches skills, or entertains people, your face becomes optional. Before AI has also reduced production time dramatically. A successful content combines more accessible than strong audience demand, good advertiser spending, and content you can consistently create. The best opportunities today include finance, AI tools, business, productivity, and self-improvement. These topics attract large audiences and often generate higher advertising revenue than many other categories. Every successful video follows a simple process. First, find an idea. Second, create a script. Third, generate a voiceover. Fourth, add visuals. And finally, edit and upload. Once you learn this workflow, you can repeat it again and again to create content efficiently and consistently. Is where AI provides enormous value. Instead of starting from scratch, you can generate complete outlines, talking points, and full scripts within minutes.
Scriptwriting is where AI provides enormous value. Instead of starting from
into
scratch, you can generate
professional
complete outlines,
The
talking
result
points,
is
and full
faster
scripts
production,
within minutes.
consistent quality, and significantly lower costs. Visuals. You can use AI image generators, stock video libraries, motion graphics, and screen recordings to support your message. When it comes to editing, AI tools can automatically generate captions, remove silence, add transitions, and synchronize media. This dramatically speeds up production while maintaining professional quality. Creating videos is only part of the equation. Growth comes from optimization. Your titles, thumbnails, and viewer retention play a huge role in whether YouTube recommends your content. The more people click and continue watching, the faster your channel can grow. How to get clicks? A great title creates curiosity. Compare these examples. Budgeting tips. Or, how I saved $10,000 on a normal salary. The second title is specific, emotional, and outcome-focused. Always try to make viewers curious enough to click and learn more. Your thumbnail is your video's advertisement. Use large text, strong contrast, and visuals that create curiosity. A good thumbnail should communicate the main idea instantly, even on a small mobile screen. Remember, a better thumbnail often means more views. Once your channel begins growing, multiple income streams become available. You can earn from YouTube advertising revenue, affiliate marketing commissions, brand sponsorships, and digital products such as ebooks, templates, or online courses. The goal is to build several income sources, rather than relying on just one. The first monetization method is YouTube ads. After reaching the required watch hours and subscriber thresholds, you can earn money every time viewers watch ads on your videos. Finance channels often receive some of the highest advertising rates on the platform. Affiliate marketing allows you to recommend products and tools that help your audience. When viewers purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. Many creators make more money from affiliate marketing than from ads. Sponsorships. As your audience grows, companies may pay you to feature their products or services. Brands value targeted audiences and often pay significant amounts for exposure to engaged viewers. This can become a major revenue stream for established channels.
Digital products are one of the most scalable business models. You can create a product once and sell it repeatedly. Examples include courses, templates, ebooks, guides, and membership programs. Unlike physical products, there are no inventory or shipping costs.
Let's summarize everything. Choose a profitable niche. Use AI tools to simplify content creation. Publish consistently every week. And continuously improve your titles, thumbnails, and retention. Small improvements compound over time and lead to significant growth. The opportunity to build a faceless YouTube channel has never been better. AI has removed many of the barriers that prevented people from starting. The creators who take action today will have a significant advantage tomorrow. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.